Aït-Nouri is out of the game after being punished for his attitude during the last defeat. Despite his defensive struggles this season, the Algerian could shine in Gary O'Neill's system, which encourages fullbacks to press high in attack. With a new manager, who knows if Aït-Nouri might be repositioned as a winger or given training to become more disciplined on the pitch. However, for Paul Merson, the absence of the number 3 will be a blow for Wolves, making the clash against Leicester even more difficult. Merson predicts a tough game for the team, but can Wolves surprise even without Aït-Nouri? So, fans, what's your opinion on Aït-Nouri's absence? Can Wolves rise to the occasion and secure a win against Leicester? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive Wolverhampton news.